Alright. It's that time again, folks. That's right, you're in the front. You guessed it, yard and garage sailing. So, if you're into that type of content, head over to your fridge, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your screen, and let's enjoy the show. Because it's looking like another day in paradise out here. Oh yeah. Let's get it. 7:55 a.m. Hitting my first yard sale of the day. And it's right there on the left. Wish me luck. Alright, back on the road. Nothing at those two yard sales. Just some basic household items. Nice little dead end here. Shout out to the water fountain.
Ooh, yeah, you got to be crazy. If you try to beat me.
Hello, how you doing?
Good.
Awesome. Hi.
Yeah. He's almost a pound of money, you know. So how is someone doing? Oh God.
Alright, you guys have a good one. Thank you.
Yeah, butterfly art.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, you?
Pretty good, thanks.
Awesome. Alright, you have a good one.
Okay, you too.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
Thank you, have a good one. Shout out to the McGriddle. Shout out to the hash brown. Shout out to the ducks.
Hi, how are you?
Good, you?
Hope you have. My mom has waters. We'll just put them in there so they're ready when you come back. If you have any questions, let me know. Everything like here is 25 cents.
All right.
50. And if anything's not marked, just let us know.
Roger that.
Okay. We gotta go to Home Depot, my favorite place in the world. What is it? How long is it? Sorry.
What's the name of this song?
It's Honda Replay. P-O-N. P-O-N. Replay. Honda Replay.
I need this one.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Let's go Home Depot.
Oh, fun. For what? I like
Alright, you guys have a good one. Thank you. Alright, back in the office. It was definitely a tough one, guys. Definitely a hard day. Man, whew. Stopped at 32 yard sales. So with that being said, let me get right into this video, share what I ended up grabbing. First things first is this tuner by Harman Kardon. Really good shape. Off to the left, I have a pleather Browns jacket. Really cool. Got the logo up front. Mark that XL, made in China. Shout out to China. Only problem with this jacket is right here. See how it's melted over there? So somebody leaned up against maybe a stove or some shit. But other than that, it's in really good shape. Other side's alright. So he must have been clumsy with his left hand. Anyways. This one's pretty interesting. I saw this and I was like, oh man, nobody bought it. But check this out, nice handle. This thing's got some weight. I don't know the size, probably like a little over 10 inches. Nice little pan. Hey, this is why I got it. Check that out. Made in France. It was a 24. I'm just looking at it now, other than seeing it at the yard sale. But anyways, that was a cool little find. Don't see that too often. By the way, if you see anything that you're interested, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at. Full throttle. Back to the table here. I have a cross here. Really nice cross. Brand new. Still in the package. And it's from Italy. Nice. Lighter by Calibai. Oops. I have a bad habit now looking through the viewfinder. I have to put some butane. It's an oldie. Here's the logo. Little portable TV from back in the day. Hooks up to your cigarette lighter. If cars even have that nowadays. Or 110. Some options there. Video brightness, contrast, blah blah. Also battery operated. This side here, more radio. I didn't even know it had radio. Don't know. Interesting. Let's look at the front. There we go. So you have TV and radio. Okay, yep, I see it now. So this actually might be for a boat. You can use this for a boat. How it has this screen here. There's a guy I bought this from. This guy had crazy stuff for boats, so he was definitely into boating. Put it that way. All right, on to the next one. Pokemon puzzle, brand new, sealed. Anything with Pokemon, kids, and even some adults, they go apeshit for that. Off to the right, only games that I got today was from GameCube. And it was Star Wars Clone Wars and Star Fox Assault. They're in good shape. They're in there, no manual. Another Pokemon series, but these are VHS. Since I grabbed that, I was like, you know what, I'll grab the Ninja Turtles. Try to go for all three. This is part 3. And I grabbed the Gunfight at the OK Corral. The classic version, of course. Not the modern. VHS as well. Above that, nice little Casio keyboard. It is marked. That's unfortunate. Up here as well. But it does work. I don't have it plugged in. I need batteries. And I need to find a plug for it. Up right here is a Canon camcorder. I always buy these. People love these. You can hook them up to your CD burner and burn your old video cassettes. This one's a 8mm manual cassette with a remote. Hook up. I have the charger also. It's behind me. And a video output for that lot there. To the bottom of that, I ended up getting this for free. Anytime I come across these type of things, I grab them, buy them, or if it's for free, it's for me. So, bundle this up with a future item. Always good to have things on deck. Speaking of having things, this is for one of those purposes as well. It's a Sony PlayStation 2 video output. So, I always carry these in case I get one without a console, without the video. Well, there it is. So I think that's pretty much it. Not an exciting day, not an exciting show. But it was what it was. Or should I say, it is what it was. I don't know. Anyways, thanks again coming in, checking out this video. You guys and gals have a good one. Alright, I guess I can include this at the end of the video. It's the next day. This is Sunday's things I ended up grabbing, so let me just add it to this video. So first things first, American Chopper series DVDs, Black Widow, Fire Bike, you guys remember that show. Below that, Napoleon Dynamite UMD video for the PSP. By the way, if you guys and gals are interested in any of this I'm about to show, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at Full Throttle. Back to the show. Pokemon by Little Golden Books. Cool little find. Really good condition. Off to the right, this is pretty cool right here. Vintage Harley Davidson bike, made in Italy, it says. Oops. Coming off over here, I don't know where that goes, a little hinge, but I'm thinking it goes between those two little notches in that motor, but haven't got to that. Here's another Harley Davidson pin. Oops. Ended up getting this on a huge lot. Check this out. Huge lot of pins. All kinds of stuff. BMW pins, Florida Association. It's this over here. But I can go on and on. Florida Harley Davidson Dresser Club. 1986. Oops. There you go. Anyways, yeah, you get the idea. Check this one out. Seen this one just now. It's from 1950s. God, not going. Anyways, it's a pin. Not zooming. There we go. And watch this. 1950s. Keep in mind. And there you have it. 1950s photos. How cool is that? Here's what it says. I'm taking too long on this. Anyways, it says Gypsy Tour 1950. Just says 50 on it. Back onto the table here as well. This was a yard sale find. These two goodies. USA beer advertising on them. Doesn't have a manufacturer on it unless it's on a second blade, but I doubt it. Usually they put that on the main blade, but in pretty decent shape. Above that, it's covered by these two lenses. It's a t-shirt, 2XL. There you have it right there. There's the info on that. There as well. Color's black. While it's in my hand, two lenses. This one's by Sigma, and this one's a, where is it at? 35 by 105 millimeter. This one is by Bushnell, and it is a 90 by 230 millimeter. Now the game lot, I guess. So I'm just gonna go real fast. Pokemon 3 series there for the Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Advance. You get the idea. I'm just going to pan right over it. You get the idea. How cool is that? Wish you had it more. Those Nintendo 64 carts. Donkey Kong for the original NES with the original sleeve. Let me get these things out of here. I also ended up grabbing this book, How to Hold a Crocodile. It's a great book for kids. DS lights, awesome condition. Really, really fantastic condition. I haven't seen a damn scratch on either one of them. This one's like a pinkish type of peach color, and that debris off to the corner, that's just the sticker. That's where the sticker was. I have to clean that up with some alcohol, but great condition. Moving on, 2 Final Fantasy games for your PS Vita. Above that, Final Fantasy, what's that, 7, 3, and 4. Castlevania 4, I believe, for the Super Nintendo, and Zelda. And I think that's it. Thanks again for watching this video. I've been wasting way too much money. I need to get that money back. Thanks again. Cheers.